Welcome to Dan the Cleaning Man channel. Hey everyone, it's Dan, and today I'm taking on a massive challenge, automating my entire cleaning business in just 30 days. Yep, you heard that right. We're talking streamlining operations, improving efficiency, and of course maximizing profits. Because who doesn't love that? Now, if you're a business owner or just someone who's curious about automation, this is going to be a wild ride filled with actionable tips and strategies. So, buckle up because we're about to dive deep into the world of business automation. First things first, why automate a cleaning business, right? Well, like most small business owners, I've found myself juggling way too many things at once. Between scheduling jobs, managing client relationships, invoicing, and keeping track of staff, it's a lot. Automation offers a way to get some of that time back while making the business run smoother. And, more importantly, without sacrificing quality. So here's the plan. Over the next 30 days, I'm going to test out different tools, software, and strategies to automate as much of my business as possible. Each week, I'll update you on my progress, what's working, what isn't, and how it's impacting the bottom line. Let's get started with day one. The first thing I want to tackle is scheduling. Right now, I've got this clunky system of phone calls, texts, emails, you name it, I'm probably using it. Not exactly efficient, right? So I'm starting by testing out a software called Jobber. It's designed to handle scheduling, client management, invoicing, all in one platform. Now, the beauty of Jobber is that it has a client-facing portal. This means clients can book, reschedule, and manage their appointments without ever having to call me. It even syncs with my calendar. So instead of me chasing down clients or responding to 50 different emails, they handle it themselves. It's like having a personal assistant without the extra payroll. By day 3, I already feel a difference. Instead of worrying about fitting clients into slots manually, Jobber does the heavy lifting. Plus, I get automatic reminders when it's time to invoice clients. No more late payments. My focus is now on providing better service, not administrative tasks. Fast forward to week 2, and now I'm looking at inventory management. You'd be surprised how much time is wasted tracking supplies for the cleaning team. Running out of disinfectants, gloves, or trash bags on site? Yeah, that's a nightmare. I found this great tool called Sortly. It's like an inventory tracking app that keeps a real-time record of what's in stock. I can even scan barcodes with my phone and automatically deduct items when used. Super easy. The goal here is to prevent any last-minute supply runs and keep the business running smoothly. Speaking of keeping things running smoothly, let's talk staff management. By day 10, I realized I was spending way too much time coordinating my cleaning team. People showing up late, double-booked jobs, or just plain miscommunication, it was chaos. Enter Trello. Now, Trello wasn't exactly built for cleaning businesses, but with a few tweaks, it's working like a charm. I set up a board for each cleaner with tasks, job details, and timelines. Everyone on my team can log in, see their assignments, and check them off once completed. It's like having a digital clipboard that nobody can lose in the van. Day 15, halfway point, one major hurdle I faced, client communication. While automating scheduling and task management helps, keeping in touch with clients is key for keeping them happy. So I implemented Zapier to connect Jobber with email automation tools like MailChimp. Every time a client books a job, they get a customized confirmation email. I even set up follow-up emails to check in a day or two after the job is done. Now let's talk money. By day 20, I realized I hadn't fully tackled invoicing. Sure, Jobber helps with sending invoices, but chasing down payments? Not fun. So I integrated QuickBooks Online. It syncs with Jobber and automatically tracks everything. Expenses, payments, even taxes. I can finally say goodbye to those old-school spreadsheets. One thing I didn't expect, how freeing this all feels. By automating all these tasks, I'm less stressed. I can focus on growing the business rather than just managing it. Now it hasn't been without its challenges, day 22 for example. I ran into a glitch with syncing between Jobber and QuickBooks, which caused a bit of an invoicing mess. It was stressful, but After a few customer support chats, it was sorted out. Morale of the story, expect bumps in the road, but don't panic, you can always troubleshoot. By day 25, everything is starting to come together. The cleaning staff are working more independently, clients are happier with seamless communication, and best of all, I'm reclaiming hours of my week that I used to spend on administrative headaches. The final stretch week 4 is all about fine-tuning. At this point, most of the big tasks are automated, but now I'm focusing on optimizing the process. I'm testing out ways to improve response times with chatbots on my website and automating social media posts using Buffer. It's little tweaks like this that help you keep growing without adding extra time to your day. So here we are, day 30. Has automating my business been a success? Absolutely. While I didn't completely remove myself from every task, some things just need that personal touch. I've cut down on so much of the busy work. I'm spending more time on client relationships, strategy, and big picture growth. If you've been thinking about automating your business, my advice, start small. You don't have to do everything at once. Pick the one task that's sucking the most time out of your day and find a tool or software to help. From there, you can build your way up to full automation. And that's a wrap on my 30-day automation challenge. If you've enjoyed following along or found any of these tools helpful, be sure to hit that like button and leave a comment below with any questions or tools you think I should check out. Don't forget to subscribe to Dan the Cleaning Man for more tips on entrepreneurship, automation, and growing your business. Let's automate your way to success.